JAMB 2024 question. The question is under trigonometry. The question says sec² plus tan² equals to 3. Then the angle theta is equal to, these are the options given. This question can be solved using what we call the trigonometry identities. Let us have the trig identities. Now, what are the trig identities? Trigonometry identities. We have the first one, cos² plus sin² equals to 1. Then we have the second one, 1 plus tan² equals sec²θ. And we have the third one, cot² plus 1 equals to cosec²θ. So we're going to use a suitable trig identity to solve this question. Now look at this. I have sec² here plus tan². I can change one of these to make the question simpler. I will change this sec² to this. So I can have tan here and tan here. If I have x plus x, it is very easy to solve x plus z than y plus x. So I will change this sec² to 1 plus tan². So this one becomes 1 plus tan² from this place, okay? Then plus tan² is equals to what now? 3. This will become 1 plus tan² plus tan² equals 2 tan² equals to what now? 3. 1 will come here, we collect like terms. So we now have 2 tan² equals to 3 minus 1. So we have 2 tan² equals to what now? 2. Class, what is the next thing? We divide both sides by 2. So by 2, by 2. So we have tan² equals to 1. Tan² is the same as tan² all square equals to 1. What is the next thing? We'll take the root of both sides. We'll now be having tan² equals to root of 1. What is the root of 1? That is 1. So we have tan² equals to 1. So what angle as is tan to be 1? Which angle as is tan to be 1? That is angle what now? 45, because tan 45 is equals to 1. So we now say our theta is equals to tan inverse of 1. And that will give us 45 degrees. So the correct option is option B. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, like, share, and comment your answer in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.